Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I will show you what I ordered from the Rumi fragrances. Basically they are offering 70% off on their products. So I purchased a couple of perfumes, one for myself and other one for my friend. I will unbox it in front of you guys. So let's get started. So you can check the name, it's Rumi Trends, and let's have unbox it. So basically they are impressions of the most popular perfumes. It's quite difficult to unbox it. Let me check. It's the impression of Creed Aventus, which is very popular, especially for men. And you can check their bottles as well. It looks like this. And you can a very popular perfume for the men especially. And now we have another bottle which is you can open this. This is another very popular perfume for both male and female, which is Bleu de Chanel. I will have another video for you guys to share their lastings as well. So stay tuned for this. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's all for today.